So here's how you can do a video call in WhatsApp on the iPad. Let's get into it. At first, you need to make sure you have the latest version of the WhatsApp as on the iPad it hasn't been available for a very long time, but right now we have a full-fledged iPad version of the WhatsApp, so make sure you get it from the App Store. Once you download and start using the application, you will then need to use your main phone where you have the main set up with the phone number and everything for WhatsApp, and you'll need to basically scan the QR code of the WhatsApp on the iPad in order to connect the devices. Right, so on your phone you're going to go to the linked devices, and there you can find the sharing and the camera for the QR code. But the whole point is that once you go through all of this, you set up the WhatsApp for regular use, and then it behaves exactly as on your phone, meaning that you can open up any contact, tap on the phone call or video call button, and you'll be able to initiate the calls as you wish. So yeah, the point is that the iPad's WhatsApp now works as a regular WhatsApp on the phone, so that's pretty cool about it. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions or thoughts regarding this issue and the topic. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.